Let us learn our next subheading, that is structure of contractile protein. Listen, children. So it is the structure of actin filament, otherwise called thin filament. Each actin filament is made of, that is formed of different types of proteins. The first type, that is F-actin, commonly called filamentous actin. So the globular actins. The second one, that is commonly called tropomyosin. The second protein is a substance, that is tropomyosin. The third one present here, that is the troponin complex. So the actin filament consists of three different types of protein. One is F-actin. The second one, that is the tropomyosin. The third one, that is the troponin. Now we listen, children. Each F-actin means filamentous actin, is a polymer of monomeric globular actins. So each one here is the monomeric unit. Many monomeric globular proteins, they are arranged to form polymer of globular actin. These two globular actins, they are helically bound. So one globular protein, here another globular protein, they are arranged helically. Two filaments of tropomyosin is also run close to F-actin. You can see here one row of the tropomyosin. Here it is another row of the tropomyosin. Both the layers of tropomyosin are also run close to the F-actin globular proteins. Okay, they two are run close to each other. The third type of protein, that is called troponin. The third type of protein, that is troponin. It is a complex protein, hence given troponin complex, present at regular intervals on the tropomyosin. So this filamentous structure, here you can see the tropomyosin. In the tropomyosin with uniform intervals. So here you can see one troponin complex, here another you can see a troponin complex with regular interval. The tropomyosin, in the tropomyosin, what is present? Troponin complex is present. Once again, children, two filaments of tropomyosin are run close to F-actin. So it is tropomyosin. What is troponin? A complex protein. Troponin is a complex protein present at regular interval in the tropomyosin. So you can see it is the troponin, here also the troponin. On the surface of the tropomyosin filament, the troponin is arranged in regular interval at rest. When the muscle fiber is not doing, when this protein is not doing any work, troponin masks the actin finding site of myosin. Once again, children, at rest, when the muscle is not doing any work, the troponin mask, that means covers the actin finding site of myosin. The actin finding site of myosin.